Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the League of Legends unknown player error. Alright, let's begin. First, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for online gaming. Try resetting your modem or router by turning it off for 10 seconds, then turning it back on. Once your internet is back, check if the issue is resolved. If that does not work, run League of Legends as an administrator. Right-click the League of Legends icon and select Run as Administrator. This ensures the game has the necessary permissions. Next, flush your DNS cache to fix connectivity issues. Open the command prompt as an administrator by typing CMD in the Windows search bar, then type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. Close the command prompt and restart the game. Another fix is to close all Riot Games and League of Legends processes. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift Escape or right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Find any Riot Games or League of Legends processes, select them, and click End Task. Relaunch the game and check if the issue is resolved. Also, check the League of Legends server status on the official website or down detector. If the servers are down, wait until they are back online. So that's basically how you can fix the League of Legends unknown player error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.